channel Dance with Honey. So today I'm going to teach you the craziest steps by Thalapathy Vijay sir from the God movie from Mara song. So बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए let's learn these crazy steps. For this step you must have very strong knees and your legs because your calves are burning on this. Believe me, your calves are burning on this first step. What you have to do, bend your knees, your feet are placing out, okay, and you are bending your little bit forward body like this one, okay. This is the position. Now after that, your right hand here, left hand here, okay, and also you can आपको अपनी शर्ट को ऐसे मुंह में दबा के रखना है, ओके. Let's first of all let me teach you the footwork movement. क्या है, आपको just क्या करना है, right, left, hit, left, right, hit, okay. ये करते हुए आपको right side जाना है, then you have to move left side. How? So right, left, right, hit, left, right, hit, right, hit, like that. जितना आप प्लेस कर पाओगे right to left, okay. So if I do it like this way, that it looks like okay. After that, what you have to do after that, this step, what you have to do, you have to do double time, boom boom, okay, boom boom, and shift the weight towards left side, boom boom, hey, okay. After that, again right, and then again like that, shoot, okay. So where we were the previous part, right, left, hit, after hit, double time, boom boom, up, back, and up, okay. This is the next part, okay. After that, the second part. Let me complete this first part again to understand you very easy way. So what you have to do, hit, like that. Maybe before learning this tutorial you must warm up your knees, because maybe don't try to hurt your knees, okay. So make sure you are completely warm up. Next, second part. After this part where you are doing this, now second part, there is a footwork. What you have to do with your right feet, back side, and place the weight आपको left. Now we weight shifting करनी like this, okay. So 1 2 3, again 1, this is my left feet, then right feet, then left feet, okay. I'm just shifting my weight. First of all, right side to left toe up हो रहा है, then left side right toe up, and like this. And this is fast, like flow, okay. After that, right feet को आगे लेके आना है और यहाँ पे प्लेस करना है, लेफ्ट फीट से forward, bend like this, okay. Again, what you have to do, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay. Now after 4, your left leg go forward, and then you have to repeat this step, boom boom, okay. And then hop on your right, and then just again hop, 2 hops, okay. The full step looks like boom boom boom, hey, boom boom boom, hey, boom boom boom, hey, okay. Also there is a hand movement also, so you must be very smooth on this step. Don't try to be very hard. So what you have to do, right, left, right. So right, left, right. Then your left hand hit and hit. Then repeat, right, left, right. After that, you just hey and then hey, like this. Let me combine this. Don't be confused. What you have to do? Hey. Again, 1 and 2. Then you have to do 3, 4. Okay, just tapping your chest. Okay, so that 3, 4, and then again repeat the things of again. Hey, and then you are just hey and hey, like this. Okay, boom, hey. Okay, so how to do it? Last step में जब आप ये कर रहे हो, shoe. Okay, after that you have to do drop your shirt like this in the last step. So from beginning to end आपको अपनी shirt को मुंह के अंदर दबा के रखना है. So how to do it? Let's see. Like this. So ready? Ta 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 ha ta 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 ha ta ta ha ta ta he. Hey. So this was the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. ऐसे ही नए tutorials देखने के लिए सीखने के लिए you can subscribe our channel. Dance with Hari. Keep dancing, keep rocking. Peace.